Take a look at this binary recursive problem. If you want, you can pause the video and solve it. The method riddle has an int parameter num. It has a recursive case first where it calls itself and passes num plus 1, then subtracts a second call in which it passes num plus 2. The base case returns the value of num. Let's say we call riddle and pass it the value 2. In this stack frame, num has a value of 2. Num is less than 5, so it makes the calls riddle 3 and riddle 4. In this frame, num is 3, so we make a call to riddle 4 and riddle 5. In this frame, num is 4, so we make a call to riddle 5 and riddle 6. Here, num is 5, so we hit the base case, return 5, and pop this frame off the stack. The riddle 6 call also hits the base case and returns 6. Riddle 4 calculates 5 minus 6 and returns -1. Let's look to see if we can fill anything else out without tracing it. We already know riddle 5 returns 5, so we can just plug that in here. We also know that riddle 4 returns -1, so we can plug that in here. Riddle 3 calculates -1 minus 5 and returns -6. Riddle 2 calculates -6 minus -1, which is -5. So our initial call of riddle 2 returns -5. If you want to learn more, click on the thumbnail for the next video. Otherwise, check out the full Java playlist. See you in the next video.